So unfortunately I failed miserably at my own challenge. So it actually took me closer to, I think, 13, maybe 14 minutes to finish this instead of 5. Basically, what I did was I use a wire wheel on my bench grinder to knock the rust off from the head. Let's say I verified that the head is tight. Let's see, what else did I do? I also stripped a bit of grime and grease from the handle. Then I took it down and applied some gun blowing to it. And the lighting here is pretty horrible, but let's see, you can see this is actually a nice Stanley hammer. So I'm glad I did that. So gun blowing made it look much nicer, not as rusty. If I would have more time, I would definitely, polish it a bit more. But it's pretty decent at this point. Let's see, nice and shiny there. I would buff it. Let's see what else. The handle, I glued the handle. I'm trying to figure out where the crack is. Oh, the crack is still here, but it's nice and tight now. There is no movement. It was a pretty shallow crack to begin with. And what I did was I used, gosh, what the heck is it called? Wood lock, maybe? And basically it's penetrating glue. That's really what that is. It's crazy glue on steroids for wood. Honestly, that's what that is. And let's see, and then I applied some wax to the head and the handle. And that's why you see darker spots and lighter spots. That's just the grain. And it's a nice handle that can be put back to work now. Doesn't look like that rusty mess that it was just, what, 10, 15 minutes ago.